Hold one. This is just one, two. This is a Target bag. Let's see what I got. jada Wednesday thing RC. And it's Wednesday. I got this toy today. Try me. 8 pluses from Jada, who's back. USB long range up to 66 feet. 2.4 GHz Hollywood rides. Let's open it up.
This section right through here. So it's like a bendy, so you can bend it and shape it however you'd like. And over the years, it's kind of like warped a little bit, but you can straighten it out and kind of bend it into shape. And then
here's instructions.
get it up like this, maybe try and position it. But it's really stiff now. I don't know if it's more pliable when I first looked at this 6 years ago.
Step 1. Build non-removable rechargeable batteries. Step 2. Press down to search button and push the door open at the same time.
Is bendable, and you can bend it whatever form you to do whatever. So it's just like a bendy, I guess. So there you go. It's Master Piper. So number 5 is Master Tigress. Looks amazing. Look at this. Look at the detail. I think they call this a gi, right? If I'm not mistaken. That is
Here's the remote control. And here's the actual hand. It's hard to get out.
So close. Gotta be quick. No, we gotta hold it just right. It's a timing thing. Oh, alright. One more try. Ready? We're gonna try this one more time. No, okay, one more time. Alright, this is the last try.
And here's a hand.
This is great. Or you can push them both at the same time. And then they both go. Like that. So it's like 2 different buttons there. It's kind of neat. monkey here. So you can rotate his arm right here, and you can rotate his arm around here. And on the back, he has a tail that you can also swivel like this. And on the back, you can see the little button right here. That's part of the gimmick. Give this a push. Look at this. He's got a little bow staff baton thing. It spins around. And it even spins, even if you turn the arm down, it still spins. You can spin it like
It's
this.
so slimy.
It still works. Look at this.
This toy is so slimy and gooey.
And the faster you push the button, the faster it spins. That's kind of cool. I like this. This is awesome. And also, oh yeah, look at this. He spins it, swivels at the waist as well, so he stands pretty good. And there you go. Master Monkey. Coming in at number 8 is Master Crane, who looks fabulous with this thing, right? Totally like this one. This one is really neat. So he's got some moving bits. You can rotate the head right here, back and forth, and little legs down here swivel back and forth. And you're really gonna have to mess with those legs to get it just to one position, and you can get them to stand, but you kind of fiddle with it just a little bit here. And I think if you get it just right, let's see, get this back leg out just like so, and look at that, you can get them to stand. That's awesome. So on the back here, you got 2 buttons. That's because it's a double gimmick. That's right, 2 different things. So you push this button right here, and his arm does like a karate chop and a kung fu chop. Then you push the other button, and this one kind of comes out. Watch. That's silly. If you push them both at the same time, he's got some kung fu chopping action going on. It's kind of cool. That's awesome, actually. I love this. And let's get this stand together. And I think we can do it. If you get it just right, and you got to spread him out, and he's like this kung fu pose.
Huh?
Get it just wide up, just right. And there you go. Look at that. So there it is. Master Crane. And there you have it, everyone. Kung Fu Panda set of 8 amazing collectibles released by McDonald's way back in 2008. I absolutely love this set. This is one of my all-time favorites. Definitely my top 15 for sure. I had it on display for a bunch of years, and now we're revisiting it. I'm glad I left it out because the new movie's out, and I'm really excited to go see it. And I was happy to bring this back to you and have a look at this again. This is a lot of fun. You can get your hands on this set and your collection. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. See you next time.
If I really like this RC hand remote control, it's probably the coolest thing ever. I never talk about how RC do. It moves along and it does like that, and it has functions, and it has some batteries, and the hands are moving. But unfortunately, the age of this toy has a lot of features to tell you. And today's Wednesday, I have that toy. I got this toy at Target this Wednesday today, but this is probably the coolest thing ever. It's a Frankenstein hand, but this one does not close. Hold on a second. But yeah, soon as they saw a hand, we never talk about how this hand functions. Now, use the hand to use the remote control to use the hand to move, and do this, and do like that. So yeah, thanks for watching Box of the Jada Wednesday thing RC remote control. Bye.